Good afternoon, friends. I hope you're ready for some asynchronous work with your reading assignment. We are going to read this article called Blizzard on the Way, and then you are going to go into Google Classroom and you are going to highlight the important information in this article to then go back and do a text structure chart. All right, so this says Our Town News. It says high is 13 degrees, low is 0 degrees, and there is a chance of a blizzard. Blizzard on the way. Storm warning. Winter has arrived. This season always brings cold temperatures. Sometimes it brings snowstorms too. But next week's storm is expected to be a blizzard. We have a photograph with a caption that says, blizzards are really big snowstorms. Stay safe. As the blizzard gets closer, the police and firefighters would like everyone to follow 3 basic safety guidelines. 1. Check the weather forecast often. The forecast tells us about the storm. The forecast may change as the storm gets closer. We have another photograph and the caption says, people track storms using satellite information. 2. Stock up on supplies. If the storm is bad, everyone will be more comfortable with plenty of food, water, medicines, batteries, and anything else they might need. 3. Keep extra blankets and jackets on hand. Blizzards bring cold winds, so even if you are indoors, you may be very cold. Be prepared. Blizzards can be scary, but if you are prepared for the storm, you will not have to worry. Stay indoors while the blizzard is going on. After the storm has ended, you can go out and enjoy the snow. We wish all our readers a safe snowstorm. So I want you to think about, okay, what was the most important information? Why was this article written? Okay, was it to teach you about blizzards? Or was it teaching you how to do something when a blizzard comes? Okay, so now you are going to go to Google Classroom. You're going to open it up, ELA Tuesday. You can open your own version of the article, and you can go ahead and highlight important information. And then take that information and put it into the description text structure. Okay, what is the main topic? The main topic is to teach about what, and then what are 4 key details that support that main topic.